Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Today in this video we will discuss the job openings from the Next Wave company. We will discuss remote jobs, that is work from home, and the job openings at their location. Stay tuned till the end, and before jumping to our first job opening, do comment your educational qualification with the job role you are looking for. First job is Conversion Optimization Specialist. Location is Hyderabad, Telangana. Requirements for this role are a customer-focused and goal-oriented mindset, experience in a marketing conversion role or digital marketing, experience using conversion assistance tools such as Google Analytics Optimize VWO, knowledge of all aspects of conversion enhancement including copywriting, UX and web analytics, good time management skills, ability to multitask, strong interpersonal and communication skills, critical thinker, problem solver, ability to manage multiple projects and priorities effectively. So if you are eligible for this, click on the apply now button and fill this application form, and here click on the submit application button and submit it. Second role is Market Research Associate. Location is Hyderabad, Telangana. Requirements for this role are experience in sourcing from job posting platforms like Naukri, Indeed, LinkedIn, must have excellent verbal and written communication skills, basic exposure to Google Sheets, hands-on experience using computers is essential, ability to multitask, prioritize and manage time effectively, ability to manage work in high pressure. Age limit is 20 to 25, salary is 3 LPA, work location is Hyderabad, work from office, 6 days working. If you are eligible for this, click on the apply now button, fill this application form and submit the application by clicking on the submit application button. Third job is Marketing Manager. Location is Hyderabad, Telangana. Skills required for this role are a customer focused and goal oriented mindset, experience in a marketing conversion role, experience using conversion assistance, knowledge of all aspects of conversion enhancement, ability to multitask, critical thinking, problem solver. So if you are eligible for this, click on the apply now button, fill this application form and then click on submit application button and submit it. Fourth role is of Webflow Manager. Location is Hyderabad, Telangana. Skills required are advanced Webflow experience required, management leadership experience desired, experience in animation and responsiveness, knowledge on integrating analytics tool like Google Analytics, Hotjar, Mixpanel, proficient in HTML, CSS, knowledge on other no-code tools such as Bubble.io, excellent communication and teamwork skills, ability to generate creative solutions, a keen eye for UX, UI design and marketing content. If you are eligible, click on the apply now button, fill this application form and then click on submit application and submit this application. Fifth job is Associate General Manager. Location is Hyderabad, Telangana. Skills required for this role are proven experience of 3+ years in managing and heading sales or pre-sales team, a sales mindset to effectively communicate, people with systematic approach, an individual with excellent communication skills, passion for delivering the highest result, great listeners, sales experience with edtech domain is an additional advantage. Native speaker of Telugu or Tamil, excellent proficiency in English, compensation is up to 21 LPA. If you are eligible for this, click on the apply now button, fill this application form and submit it. Sixth job role is Business Development Associate, Pre-Sales. Business Development Associate roles are available in different languages. Here it is Malayalam, Odia, Sales, Hindi, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Bengali speaking. You can apply accordingly. Let's check the role for Business Development Associate, Pre-Sales, Hindi speaking. Requirements for this role are a lead generation associate with excellent Hindi communication skills, interpersonal abilities along with good proficiency in English, people with a systematic approach to building sales funnels, tracking feedback, prioritizing tasks and consistently exceeding targets, a sales mindset to effectively communicate about high-paying career opportunities. Salary is 20k per month plus potential incentives of 40k per month. It's a remote job, that is work from home. If you are eligible for this, click on the apply now button, fill this application form and submit it. So these were some job openings in marketing and business development department in Next Wave. You can find the link in the description and apply for all the roles or any of the roles which are suitable for your education qualifications and your requirements. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share with your friends, and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.